Hey folks, here we are live with Steph Custance, Ice Road Truckers, and Jim Campbell from First Class Training Center. I got that right.
Yeah,
Did you see that?
I was actually impressed. I think
I practiced.
You missed me. That's what it was.
Yes.
You said my name so much in your dreams that you just
So many times I could never forget. And folks, we're here at the World of Wheels, Piston Ring's 44th anniversary, and Steph is going to take on the simulator. And they're going to throw things at her that you would never see on a highway. So we're going to be very mean to Steph, and we're going to have some fun.
When are you ever nice to me?
I'm never nice. I'm
like,
terrible.
What's the difference here?
My job is to be your pain in the butt.
I guess so.
And folks, in a couple of minutes, we're going to have a very special thing because she's going to join with a real live singer, country sensation, with one of his newest release that they're going to do. I've brought him in to do it as a karaoke style, which he won't have his mic, he won't have his band, he won't have his girls, but Brett is willing to do it here live at World of Wheels. Can I embarrass you more? Yes. It'll be a real treat watching him rap, kids, because this is a real artist, and you'll recognize him once he starts singing. And so if you guys want to put her through the paces, where'd you go?
We're going to tell you it's an automatic now?
No, I told him I won't drive. Automatics are not supposed to be on the road.
She's starting to look a little bit nervous here.
Yeah.
I don't think I see her this nervous on the ice road.
No, but you know what? Because I used to drive an automatic, and when I drove the automatic, you have no control over nothing. It shifts whenever it wants on you. And who calls it a standard when it's a button on the side? Like, I don't even have a clutch. You know how many times I stomped a floor, just bare floor? It's awful.
And she's always nervous when I have a camera, even if it's an iPhone. You want to put her through the paces? Okay.
Should I man the controls?
No, don't let him touch the controls at all.
Are you going to do the controls? Uh-oh, Jim Campbell is on the controls. This is not good.
Oh, you've been backwards. This is an auto.
Why are you leaving it automatic?
If you have to, you just broke it.
Only real truckers driving automatic.
Marcel said only real truckers drive an automatic.
Shots fired. So I'm just doing automatic.
Try it.
Yeah, just automatic. You don't have to shift.
Well, what's the fun in this?
Just fuel and brake.
Okay, we'll see. That's you in the tractor, isn't it?
They have a miniature Dave MacKenzie that runs out that you
are
can drive
so
over.
speeding up. That's you.
Hey, Darlene, thanks for joining us. Dennis Sipley. Live here, World of Wheels, Stephanie Custance against his simulator. But unfortunately, Jim Campbell from First Class has the controls, and you know what he's going to do.
What are you doing?
He's blowing one of your tires
It
out.
actually tickles. Stop it.
He blew your front tire. Oh. Hey, Dave, Bam
I
Bam.
think it's a 25-mile-an-hour zone, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, you still taking it? So many cars.
Oh! Collision!
Damn it, Dave.
I'm sorry.
Well, how long was it? Last time I didn't make it a minute.
Oh, you did good.
Well, now we'll have to see how good your singing is.
Oh, maybe. Maybe I'll sing a little bitty.
Maybe you'll sing a little bit with him.
Oh, I can dance. But, did you bring your guitar? You got a guitar here?
No, we're going to do a karaoke style. It's going to be crazy. I know. Folks, stay tuned. Coming up right now will be